We jumped off the wagon.
Hi, neighbor. How are you?
Oh, having way too much fun.
Good. Would you like to see inside the bus?
I certainly would.
Come on in. This is a 1999 Bluebird 8.3 Cummins 40-foot bus. And we are not doing the remodel. Ross Taylor at Rolling Living is doing all the work on it. And so it's this is our very first event, and this is the beginning. So this will be before, and then we'll have the after in a few months.
Cross paths again.
Yeah. So, AAA bus sales, we put in a new seat, new drive, new gear shaft, did all the maintenance on the bus that we needed. When we bought it, it was converted, so we've just remodeled. We've put in a new ceiling, taken out all the walls. So our plan is this will be our living room. My husband's work area will be here. We'll have an open section to where we can decide, because we don't know. And then we got the metal cabinets that you use in your garage for your tools. That's gonna be our kitchen cabinets. And so on this, we're gonna have our bathroom here, and we're gonna have doors similar to this that come open. Will block off the way for privacy, but then you have a giant bathroom. So the shower will be over here, the toilet, sink are over here. So you have all this room to shower, change. We figured with grandkids, we'd want something kind of open so we can get off the dirt. And
sure.
So the shower is going to be like an L, so that it's open when you're in here. And then my workspace will be here, garage and solar here, and bedding back here. And we, as older people, did not want to climb over a bed. But when you put it this way, you only have 11 inches. I don't fit. So we had to turn it this way, and it actually works very nice. Because then you can sit up in bed, and, you know, that's it. I
met a couple 5 Skoolie Paloozas ago, and they had a similar bus. And what they did was they bought some antique suitcases and attached them to the top of the engine, and that one of them was her night table, one was his night table. It's a great way to just keep this. It's like having a, you know, your drawer that you keep this, that, t'other thing in.
That's exactly our, I have an antique hat box, and that's going to be my bedside altar.
There you
and, you know, knickknacks and my little charger and my phone. And then Alan will have a night table here. And then we're going to do bins right here for our daily clothes.
Sure.
And then I want to do a bank of lockers. So we have something that shuts, and you can hang a couple of things. And then we're just trying to leave as much space so that we can add things after it's done. So when we get it back from Ross, the builder, it'll be finished. And then we'll have to modify whatever pieces of furniture we add in, or whatever we buy, or whatever.
Now, how much solar do you have on the roof?
I don't know. That's a question for Alan.
It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
People have kind of made fun of us because we're looking really, really like newbies with all the solar. But we have to run a full office for my husband.
Right.
So he needs a printer. He needs a computer. He needs... you know,
everything,
Wi-Fi. So most of the solar we got so that we would have enough backup for that office.
Sure.
We don't plan on being way far away at much.
Right.
We're gonna try and work.
It can be done.
Yeah.
Now, do you have any social media presence if somebody wanted to ask questions?
We sure do. We've got okay, so this year we have this logo, the Fund Your Freedom, and the SkoolieLifestyle.com. We had originally had an idea for that, and that fell through. So this is purely what we have to work with, but we just don't know what it's going to do. We don't know how. My husband sells steel, so that's how we'll fund our freedom.
Right.
But maybe I'll try odd jobs, and that'll Or we may take that off completely and put Find Your Freedom. And then it's all about just Find Your Freedom. And it's just a blog. I don't know.
All right.
We haven't decided.
I liked what your ideas, and I really look forward to catching up with you at some point in the future and seeing how they came
I
about.
realize I have my sunglasses on. The prescription, I can't see without them. So,
Yeah.
But thank you, Steampunk Steve. I love it.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you.